Good morning. It is, what is the date today? I don't even know. Thursday, August 22nd. Waiting for my business partner to get out of his house right now so we can go conquer 2 jobs today. Press shirts. Thank you to the wife. We got 2 jobs today. We got a short one for a friend that had a bunch of palm tree limbs cut off that needs all of it cleaned up. And then we got another tree trimming job, and then we're hauling the trailer off to the dump, and that'll be it for today. Let's go. Work. Private property services. Oh, now let's get today started, since this guy wants to show up. Yeah, baby. Job number 1 of the day.
Job number 1, baby.
Take all this into here. Job number 1 of the day, done.
Job number 1,
sort of. She's full though, so we can do only that. We got that much left over. We'll hit him with a price, see if he wants to come back tomorrow. But we need some more water, and then we're on to job number 2. Let's get it. Job number 2, a little tree care. Let's do it. Well, we got these trees trimmed up pretty good. We just wanted a little bit from underneath over there taken off. And there's a huge limb hanging out, and he said cut it right there, take the rest of it. Loading up the rest of the scraps on the trailer. We are crazy tall right now. But we're gonna do the old hokey pokey on top of it and smash her down. Now we're going to the dump, and we are done for the day. We'll give you a time lapse at the dump. See you there.
No, it's not. That would be forward. Yeah, we did do an extra one.
Top loaded. Loaded. Now we drink some water and we go to the dump. We'll see you there. Oh! What do you think?
Smells like shit. We ain't scared of hard work.
Smells like money. change. Home stretch, baby. Woo! Well, folks, that was Thursday. 2-job day, done before 1. Can't beat that. Anything you need, you call Prime Property Services, baby. You know who to call.
You know what time it is now, right?
We'll see you on the next one.